Guys, hello. Hello. I don't know, it's either it's my network or what.
Yeah, we are with you. We are with you.
We hear you.
Okay, guys, let's speak. Let's talk, then. What you want me to go through? Because I think you know everything. Yes, let's analyze. Okay, it's fine.
Not everything. Some of us we are new, so we need to know how to take on Nasdaq.
How to attack Nasdaq?
Yeah, the take on Nasdaq. How to approach it?
Okay, basically, guys, all you know that Nasdaq it has like 100 companies that are invested there. Ne? You all know that, right? What's else that you need to know? You need to know that Nasdaq is 70% fundamental and then it's 30% technical. Do you know when you do our technical analysis and then sometimes it's get manipulated? It's because there are companies there and then there are investors there. So that's what you need to know. You need to understand the fundamental part when it comes to trading. Let me say indices, ne? When it comes to trading indices, you need to understand the fundamental parts. If you're a trader, you need to follow all those things. So right now, I'm gonna go through what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna go through the chart now. I hope you can all hear me. I'm gonna go through the chart now.
Yeah.
So basically, when you analyze Nasdaq, we start from daily charts. Make sure when you're doing analysis, you start from the bigger time frame. You can't start from the small time frame because you need to see the bigger picture. You need to see the bigger picture of the market. So you can't start from the small time frame. So are we all clear? Okay, I see that people
Yes.
everything.
We hear you. We can hear you.
Okay, let's start from daily chart. Ne? We're gonna analyze from daily. The first thing that you're gonna do, we're gonna put our trend line. Ne? To check, we're gonna put our trend line first. Ne? Make sure when you put your trend line, you need to connect 2 weeks, not a body of a candle. You must avoid that. Are we all clear? You must not connect it like this one. This is not good. You must put it like this. Must connect Nasdaq like this. Must make sure that it touches both of your first week and the second one. So yeah, this is our daily chart. We're checking Nasdaq. As you can see, we're checking Nasdaq. Okay. Yeah, we are in an uptrend, so we're gonna go to H4. I'm gonna drop down to H4. Drop down to H4. Let's check something. Okay, let me put this to this. Okay, let me take this trend from here to here. Can you see that Nasdaq is been an uptrend, right? It's been respecting our H4 trend line. Okay. One. Okay, let's see. Okay, there is one respect, and then there is another one respect. So we must see if it's gonna respect. If it doesn't respect here, if it breaks here, it's gonna break the test, then come and test our daily trend line. Are we all clear?
Yes, we are all clear.
Thank you very much, guys. We have seen that. How much you need to connect? Make sure that you connect to weeks. Make sure that you connect to weeks on Nasdaq. Make sure that you connect to weeks on Nasdaq whenever analyzing. Okay, let's go to this part now. Some people they ask me why Andile you don't put like a support resistance most of the time. You always do the order block. The order block, guys, is the best because it's the bank levels that they use. People don't know how about that. They use the bank level to manipulate us. Most of the time, as traders, we just put the support and resistance whenever the market turns on our big suffering part. We didn't know about the other blocks, the bank level. Let me show you what is interesting about the other block. Okay, I'm gonna start here. Let me start here. I will show you what is very, very, very interesting about the other block first. Okay, it starts from 14,200. You see where the market turned, guys. Can you see, right? Look where the market turns. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to 14,100. I want you to see this, guys. I want you to see 14,100. Then I'm gonna go. I'm not gonna write a lot of them. I hope you're gonna be able to write it, guys. Another thing, when you trade, guys, you need to also look for your bearish engulfing, those type of patterns. Also, you need to look for a bearish flag, bullish flag, falling wedges, rising wedge as ascending channels, descending channels. Are we clear?
Yes, we're clear.
Yeah. You need to make sure that you look for that. Let's go for 14,000. I want you to see, this is 14,000. Oh, this is 14. I hope this one is good. No, it's wrong. Put it the wrong thing. Okay, let me do like this.
Now you have to look for 14.
Yeah, I'm going for 14,000 now. I want to see what happened at that level, 14,000. I want to see what is next now. I'm gonna go for 3900. I'm glad that you all remember. I'm glad that you all remember. Yo, look what happened at 3900. Can you all see?
Yes.
Yes, we can.
People can all see what happened to 3900. So I'm glad that you can all see. Let's go to 13. Just let's go to 13.8. Go to 13.8. Can you see what happened to 13.8 also?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let me do like this. Okay, we have written your order blocks. Ne? Now, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put my line chart on H4. I put my line chart on H4. Let me find this one. You see, this is a zone now. If you're gonna start, you see, we have a zone around 14,153. Can you all see, right?
Yes.
That's great.
Yes.
Let me go to H1 now and see something also. This mouse that I'm using is not good, but it's fine. Okay. I also have a zone again here from H1. I have a zone which is gonna be more good if you use it on the M15 when you go there to enter your trade. Okay. Let me see with the other part. Okay, I think we are good. I think this thing is clear. I hope you can see. I hope you can see what happened when the market reaches its level, 14,100. It's break below, then it's push up. Put its push up. It's keep on rejecting this level. Can you see, guys? It's also on the previous one. It's rejected here. Can you see, right? Also here, it's broke up above with a gap and then came in test. It's closed inside. It's okay. Then it's pushed higher. You see? So we are waiting to see what is gonna happen. Okay, let's do like this. There's another level that I see here on H1. A level that I see here on H1. A level that I see on H1. A level that I see on H1. Let me do like this. Where is this level? This level that I see on H1. With this level here on H1, do you see this one? This level here. So I hope everything is clear. Let me go to the smaller time frames. Okay, you see, guys, can you all see, right? So we will need to wait for the market to reach its here. This is our trend line. This way we'll be looking for a buy. If it's not gonna buy, it must break below. If it can break and come to this zone, remember, this is our strong zone also, this one, because the market has been staying here for a long time before it pushes up. Of course, this is our strong zone. If Nasdaq failed to break it, if the trend Move below. Our trend line, this one, the trend line, it can be a fake. It can be a fake breakout. It can bounce here. When it's bounce here, then it's gonna push more higher. Are we clear?
Yes.
So guys, make sure that whenever you do analysis, you start from daily, ne? Start from daily, put your trend line, check is either it's an uptrend or it's a downtrend. Go to H4, put your order blocks, and then from H4 you found those zones, those minor zone, the spike one, using your line charts, ne? To connect everything. Hey, there's someone who's still on a join here, but it's fine because I made a video. So yeah, guys. So I hope we are clear. Don't forget to look for M and W when you're trading. Don't forget to look for head and shoulder. Most of the time, Nasdaq can do like this. Say it can spike down. This mouse. They say like it can spike down and then do like this, move up and then a little bit down again. Then it's push higher. Then it's consolidates. After it's consolidating like this, and then after this, it's gonna push up. So you need to look of this kind of a pattern in a smaller time frames. It does happen most of the time. I've noticed it. Guys, whenever you are trading, no, this is what I want to say to you. You must understand the pair that you are trading, ne? You must understand you must always look for the patterns that this certain pair always repeats whenever it's going up or is going down. You must look for that for those patterns in order to understand that pair, or in order to understand that indices. Are we clear? If you are a master forex, guys, you need to look deeper in what you are trading. You need to make sure that you understand if Nasdaq is going to go down. You need to look for those patterns. That's okay. Nasdaq is always creating whenever it's going to go down. Are we clear? You need to look for those patterns whenever Nasdaq is gonna go up. You need to look for them. Okay, if this pattern is gonna happen, okay, Nasdaq is gonna push up. Same thing on the fundamental part. You need to understand that thing. So guys, are we clear? Hello.
Yes, you're clear.
So everything is clear. We are all gonna kill Nasdaq.
Yes, we definitely.
Yeah, we have to, Baba. We have to.
So there's nothing easy here. But there's nothing hard. I mean, sorry, there's nothing hard here. Everything is clean and it's easy. Don't confuse yourself with many things, guys. Don't confuse yourself. Focus on the strategy, master the strategy, and make money. Okay, wait, guys, I'll talk to you now. What did you say the one that was doing? What did you say about the video? Okay, guys. Another thing, guys, can you please subscribe to our YouTube channel there? Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on YouTube channel. You will know more about us. You'll know more about Andile Fx Zar. You'll know more about Brain Trader. There's a lot of things. There's a lot of content coming. You can tell even your families, your children, or what. Please, guys, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Watch our videos. We will really appreciate it. Soon we will launch a competition about the YouTube, about our YouTube channel and everything. So guys, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We really appreciate it. Are we still here? Everyone is still here, right?
Yes, we're still here.
Thank you, guys. Please guys subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah. So I hope on Nasdaq part we are clear. I don't think we're gonna have any difficulties here. There's a trend line here. We have it. You can see it. So we're waiting for the market to open and see if it's gonna respect the trend line. If Nasdaq is gonna go up and test, and then you look for the rejection, maybe sell again or it's break. So yeah, there's nothing hard. There's nothing hard that you see here. I see everything is clear. I think everything is clear. So I don't see any difficulty.
Yeah.
Any questions before we go off? Before we end the day? And then guys in the group, guys, please help each other, like to give yourself signals. Trade one thing. Don't send the results in the membership group. Analyze together. Send the setup, and then if a person is saying I'm seeing a buy on Nasdaq, another person said I'm seeing a buy on Nasdaq, another one says I'm seeing a buy. Send your chart there. Send your chart. Take trades together. Are we clear?
Yes.
Sure.
Okay. Any question, guys? Please come on. Any questions?
Please, can we get this recording? I need the recording. I didn't join on time.
Okay, it's fine. There's a recording. I will send it to you guys in the group.
Can I ask you a small favor, please?
Okay.
Because I'm interested in Nasdaq and USD. Do you mind checking in USD for me?
USD, I'm still busy with it, eh? Let's not go deeper with it for now. I want you to have USD. We're gonna launch so the signals in our group. When we launch the signals in our group, in our website, I mean, it's where I'll be starting teaching you USD. But you can practice it. There's no other block there, in USD. Just put the trend line like this and then go to daily charts. Go to daily charts, go and find where it's 10. Go and find the strong support on the state. Use your line chart. From daily, use your line charts, and then H4, use your line chart to find those strong zones. And then from H1, use your candlesticks. Then we are done after that. Right. Then you go to 15 minutes and then you look for entries. It's simple like that.
All right.
Exactly.
Thank you.
You're welcome, my brother. There is no secret there is no secret when it comes to Forex, guys. You don't have any secret. We're telling you everything that you know. We're telling you everything that you do when you trade. There's no magic. There's no magic. It's yourself. You need to you need to push yourself that you can do this thing. You will make it. And then you need to be patient also. You need to be disciplined. You need to put consistency. Yeah. You need to have less fear, no emotions. Yes.
So how are you guys able to predict the news that are gonna be positive or negative?
My brother, you need to download this app. This is called CNPC app. If you have a TCV, have a Bloomberg.
Okay.
Investing.com also. Put those companies, the biggest companies that make Nasdaq move. You'll see exactly. Okay. It's like it's Apple.
It's Amazon.
Amazon. It's Tesla. It's Google. Which one else?
Yes, yeah.
The companies that that
Facebook.
Facebook.
It's
also
Facebook.
Yeah, Facebook also. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Amazon.
And Amazon. Yeah, you need to write those things down.
Okay.